For 250 years, this country has made things, and behind every one of them was someone who built it. It started with a forge, iron and fire in bare hands, a nation learning what it could do. Then the scale grew, steam and steel and rails across a continent. One idea could reach thousands of people. American manufacturing had found its stride. The work got finer, more precise, more ambitious, and built to a standard no generation before could have imagined. And then it reached the sky. Today the factories are smarter, the tools are sharper, and every generation of manufacturers builds on what the last one left behind. And each generation goes further. 250 years of making things. This country has never stopped. The manufacturers carrying that forward deserve to be seen. To reach the right customers, to keep growing, that is what Factur is here for the makers, for the next 250 years. Happy 4th of July.